If you want to change the email address on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your email on x.com quickly and safely so you can keep your account information current and make sure you never miss important login or security notifications. This is a simple process, but there are a few places where people get stuck, so I'll show you everything step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open x.com and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the far left navigation menu. You'll want to click the More icon, which looks like 3 dots. This opens up the extended menu where X keeps a lot of its account and privacy options. From that menu, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account details, security settings, and personal preferences. After that, select your account. X groups the main account level settings in this section, so this is the area you need to reach to update your email address. Now click Account Information. At this point, X will usually ask you to verify that it's really you, so go ahead and enter your current account password when prompted. This step is important because it protects your account from unauthorized changes and makes sure only the account owner can update sensitive information. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll see the option for email. Click Email and then type in your new email address carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, because this email will be used for account recovery, notifications, and possibly security alerts. Double check that the address is one you can access right away. After entering the new email, click Save to confirm the change. X may send a verification message to your new inbox, so if needed, open that email and follow any instructions to complete the update. That confirmation step helps make sure your account stays secure and that the email change was successful. And that's it. You've now changed the email address on your X account. If you ran into any issues, the most common thing to check is whether your password was entered correctly or whether the new email is already being used on another account. Other than that, the process is very straightforward once you know where to click. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.